What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Making soup.
Favorite.
Your favorite thing. By putting cheese in it.
Okay.
We roasted the ham.
Mm-hmm.
This is the bone-in ham. It was cooked already. So look at the onion. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. I cut out the onion already. Because I don't want you to say, oh, it's making me cry. I have 3 kinds of onion. One is the Spanish onion. The other one is a sweet onion. And then a red onion.
Are they going to shrink?
Oh, it's going to be shrink big time. In the beginning, you don't really need to stir it. But I just want to make it go down a little bit. When they start to get soft and caramelize, then you have to really stir it or it will burn it. I'm going to put a little bit of carrot. And I just mince it. It totally disappeared. I put the rest of them in, and it was like up to here, but now it's like less than half.
So how do you know when it's ready?
Well, it will tell you. It needs to be more caramelized.
Translucent?
More translucent. Still like white. Okay, let it cook and then we'll come back. See how much less it will come? I want to brown it a little bit more. Put the garlic in the middle. It looks a little dry with a dash of oil in it. Smells good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Start to brown. Now you have to be really careful because or else you're going to brown like really fast and you're going to burn it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to dump
Carrots?
the carrot in it. I should turn it off. You see it turned really fast now. This is my secret ingredient. I just thought, maybe good to put it in. Because it adds some sweetness to it. Ham is a little soft.
And crunch?
No, it's not going to be crunch. It's not going to look like carrot by the time that we're done. Turn it back on. I boil the water to make it faster. You might not have enough water. I need to add more. I'm going to throw the whole piece of ham bone in it.
Oh wow. Is the meat gonna fall off the bone eventually?
Yeah. And I'm going to add more water and then let it cook.
For how
And
long?
well, until it's more soup-like. An hour and a half. And I need to salt it. Not that much. Just a little bit.
Are you gonna cover it?
Yeah, eventually. Let it boil back. I need to add more water. Boiling. I'm going to let it cook. All this like stuff that on the edge, I'm going to throw it in because it's not going to be good when you're plating it. But they're going to add more flavor. See, no waste. It's boiling, and I'm going to cover it. Put a chopstick there, it won't boil over, and then turn it low. Let it simmer. This is the Italian escargot. I'm going to put it in the soup because this absorbs a lot of oil. And the soup is ready. Looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you can see it because the ham have quite a bit of oil. I will put it last minute because I want the vegetable a little crunchy. See the ham fall off the bone now.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm going to put a little bit more.
The lettuce won't be too soggy.
Yeah, basically adding texture to it. I didn't put too much salt. The ham is sort of salty. When it boils, then that's it. See that I get rid of some oil?
Yeah.
Right? And then we're going to put butter on.
Really?
No, I'm just joking.
See, that's not a bad idea, Joyce.
Well, of course, butter and cheese, never a bad idea. Escargot in it. But don't put it in too early because I want to crunch. I want to add texture to it too. And then I add the parsley on top of it. Fresh on fresh.
Nice.
Cut a little piece of ham. Put it on the bottom because you don't want to cook it too long because then it's not tender. Oh, I put more. You want the soup to warm it up. And then one more thing. I want to put some Italian parsley because it has a lot of flavor and make it fresh. Little bit of parsley. Picture time.